England's special educational needs system, a looming crisis. The current system supporting children with special educational needs and disabilities, SEND, in England is teetering on the brink of collapse, according to leading education figures. This isn't a minor issue. It's a full-blown crisis threatening the futures of vulnerable children and the financial stability of local authorities. The stark warning came from Bridget Phillipson, speaking at the Association of School and College Leaders, ASCL, annual conference in Liverpool. Her message was clear. The 2014 Children and Families Act, the cornerstone of the current SEND system, is fundamentally flawed and requires urgent, comprehensive reform. For years, local authorities have shouldered the responsibility of funding SEND provision through their high-needs budgets. This seemingly straightforward approach, however, has unraveled spectacularly. The system, designed in 2014, failed to anticipate the dramatic rise in statutory claims for additional support via education, health and care plans, EHCPs. This surge in demand, driven by a greater awareness of SEND and a justifiable increase in requests for appropriate support, has overwhelmed local authorities. They are now grappling with unsustainable budget deficits, a financial black hole estimated to reach a staggering £5 billion collectively. This isn't simply a matter of accounting discrepancies, it's a crisis impacting real lives. The escalating financial strain is forcing councils into drastic measures, often resulting in compromised services and reduced support for children with SEND. This translates to less access to vital therapies, fewer specialist teachers, and a diminished quality of education, ultimately hindering the development and life chances of vulnerable young people. The ripple effect extends beyond the children themselves, impacting families who are already burdened by the challenges of supporting a child with SEND. The emotional toll on families, struggling with inadequate support and navigating a complex and often frustrating system, cannot be overstated. The current system's failings extend beyond the financial. The process of securing an EHCP is often lengthy, bureaucratic, and stressful for families, adding further strain to an already challenging situation. The lack of transparency and consistent application of criteria across different local authorities contributes to inconsistencies in provision and creates a postcode lottery for children with SEND. Some areas provide exemplary support, while others struggle to meet even basic needs, highlighting the urgent need for national standardization and equitable resource allocation. The ASCL's call for reform is not merely a plea for increased funding, although that is undeniably crucial. It's a demand for a systemic overhaul. The 2014 Act needs to be fundamentally reevaluated, addressing its inherent flaws and creating a system that is both financially sustainable and delivers equitable, high-quality support for all children with SEND. This requires a collaborative effort involving government, local authorities, education providers, and families. A comprehensive review, incorporating feedback from those directly impacted, is essential to designing a system that truly works for children and young people with SEND, ensuring their access to the support they need and deserve to reach their full potential. The time for incremental changes is over. Bold and decisive action is required to prevent the complete collapse of a system vital to the well-being of a significant segment of England's children. The future of these children depends on it.